Hi guys, so today I will be making a bird themed card. So let's get started, and if you are new to my channel and haven't been here already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get a video every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. And you can also connect with me through my other social media like my Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. All that information is in the description box below for you. So today I'm going to be making a card, so I'm going to use this card material and I'm going to divide bend it into two. And I'm going to make a smaller card. This is a A4 paper that was cut into two, and then I'm going to bend it in half as well. So there you go. And I'm going to be using this square, green square that I cut out of a paint, like those little cards that are used to check paint, and this wooden cardinal bird wood piece. So I'm going to first color this cardinal just with the usual colors. The red, it's going to be a red cardinal, so I'm going to use a orange beak, red body, and the face area is usually black for them. So that's what I'm going to do. This will be a birthday card, and I want to make a cutout of the card as well. So you will see in a bit after we color this how I'm going to make the card. Okay, so now that we colored it, I just want to take the size. So this is how it's going to look like from inside, but outside of the card, I want to cut a circle out of it. So I'm going to make sure this circle fits the green area, green square, and it's also going to be able to fit the bird as well. So I'm going to take one side of the card and I'm going to draw a circle, and I will cut out that circle from a one of those paper knives. And then once it's cut out, it kind of acts as a window that pops out the bird from the inside. So that's how it's going to be for this card. It's a very easy design but a fun one. Without just having the bird outside, it can be incorporated into inside as well as outside of the card. So I'm going to cut this out now, and we'll get to see how it fits the bird perfectly well. So that's what I want to do, so it can easily pop out of the card from the outside. So now I will cut the circle out, and I will show you a few other designs that you can incorporate into the card if you want to make it yourself as well. So once I cut it, you can either, for the surrounding area, you can either use another fabric just to give it a little frame, or you can draw a frame. Whatever you want to do, you are free to do so, and it just adds to the card and it adds quality to the card that I find. So let's cut it out first. So you can see now the middle of the card is cut out as a circle, so you can use a thread like this if you want to do it that way. Just have a surrounding area that you can, or you can put it on the border, whichever you want to do, whatever you like. This is just a one idea, but I'm not going to do it today. I will be drawing a border today, so I will get to that shortly as well, so you can see the full drawing that way. So I'm using this felt pen to just give it a little border, because once you cut it with that knife, for me at least, it's not very smooth, and it kind of has rough edges. So I want to smoothen it out by just adding color to it, so it doesn't show as a bad circle. So also you can refine it with the knife again, make it circular, cut out those rough edges and make it softer and nice. So I want to make it look like a thread, so I'm using a brown color here, and with a black marker I'm going to add some threads to it later on, which you will see shortly, and also another frame later on as well. So now that we added the border, this is I'm just sticking in the square to the inside, making sure that the circle is fully covered and it's green when you close the card, so that it is incorporated into the front area, just like so. And then the next step is for us to glue the bird onto it, onto the green area, green square. I'm going to use double-sided tape for this. or you can just use glue and glue it if you don't have double-sided tape, because it is a wooden piece anyways. It is going to pop out regardless. I just wanted it to pop out even more, so I used double-sided tape, so it gives a little bit of a depth behind, so it pops out from the green square area. So this is my double-sided tape. As you can see, this is very cheap, like $1 or $1.75 from dollar store, so you can easily get that, but it's not really needed. As long as you have glue, you're okay. And just peeling off the other side of the glue here, and I'm just gonna stick it to the card. So again, just to give it a little frame, so I'm just adding in a black frame for this square just to make it look like a window. That's the idea that I was going for. So that's why I wanted to add this frame here as well. When it comes to writing happy birthday, you can use either this way of writing it, or there are so many ways of writing words or letters rather. So you can just Google and find out what calligraphy that you want to use and easily write happy birthday, or you can actually use letter stickers. You can get those easily as well from dollar store, and you can use those stickers as well if you want to do that. There are really nice ones that looks really good with like a transparent background, so it looks like it is built into the card as well, so you can use that as well. But I'm going to write it, and I'm also going to sign it at the back as well. It's a simple birthday card, but to the front of it I want to add a little bit more detail, just so that, like I said, I wanted it to look like a window. So from here it's going to look like a circular window, from inside it's going to look like a square window. So I hope you are enjoying it so far. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I did draw a cardinal before as well, so if you don't have this wooden piece and you want to draw a cardinal onto it and stick on another paper, stick it in, or you can draw it right to this card. you can do so as well. I have a drawing which I will put at the I button up top as well as at the end of this video, so it's easier for you to find on my channel. So there you go. This is the final look of the front of the card. So if you are liking this video and would like to buy products with this on, check out my Redbubble shop link, and don't forget to hit that like button at the bottom of this video, and leave a comment for me as well. So this is how the inside of this card looks like as well. I really hope you like it, and I hope you enjoy this video, and I put some next videos for you to check out as well, including a playlist as well as that Cardinal video that I promised. And don't forget to hit on my face logo to subscribe to my channel. I bring a video every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And if you have any requests, don't forget to let me know as well. If I can draw it, I will draw it for you for sure. So I hope you enjoy this, and I hope you watch my other videos as well. Let me know what you want to see next. Do you want me to do something or draw something? Okay then, bye.